Okay, hey everyone, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm out here doing some wire work on my chicken run over here, and I come across this Namwa, and as you can see, it's ripening, and there's a split in one of them. It's rubbing up against the fence, so what I did was I put the PVC pipe to a string and pulled it back, and then the bottom over here, I pulled it back and held it. Otherwise, this would have been rubbing on the whole thing. But now it's time to harvest it, and the run's in the way. So I think this is going to be a tricky harvest. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I cut that off. Now I cut the PVC string. Now I want to cut some of this and pull. Okay, I'm going to move the camera back here, because I'm going to have to cut this and pull so it doesn't scrape on the fence. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Okay, camera fell, so let's see how this goes. So I got it on the ground, so now I want to cut the stalk over here. It's a big rack, pretty heavy, but here it is. It's looking good. So the thing with this was, I didn't want it to rub on the fence, and I didn't want it to come down on the fence. So it was hard with the camera, so I had to cut it and pull it until it lowered to the ground. Okay, so I've been harvesting a lot of banana racks without the camera. I've been lazy, but when I come out and there's 3 or 4 racks, all I want to do is cut them down and bring them in the house or on my porch and ripen them so I could give them to my chickens and put them in the freezer. But lately I had a raccoon, a couple of them, so when I set them on the porch, they've been coming at night and eating the yellow bananas. So I've been moving them in the house to solve that problem. So, as you can see, I'm sweaty because I'm working on the chicken run over there. I just wanted to do a little quick video on harvesting a rack. And this one was unique because it was up against the fence. I have the string over there pulled with the PVC pipe away from the fence. Plus I had the bottom bud pulled up to the plant, so the bottom was like this and not rubbing on the fence, and it's been like that ever since it was forming. So I thought it was a tricky one. I didn't quite know how I was going to do it, but as you can see, even with the camera, I did it right. I held it, cut it, and as I cut it, I was pulling it away from the fence until I got it down on the ground. 2 thumbs up for that because it worked out. So anyway, you can hear my chickens. I got a lot of work to do. Since there's a lot of raccoons around, I got security cameras showing that they were up on top. They were around the sides. They were doing all kinds of stuff to try to get in. They can't get under. They can't go up and in. So they were frustrated, always at nighttime. So I'm checking everything out and putting new wire where it needs it to make it even more secure, even though it was secure. and I'm checking out all the little gaps and making sure those are secure, because I want my chickens to survive. So hey, with that said, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener, out here sweating my butt off, all dirty and grimy, just to give you this video. So it's worthy of a like, a share, subscribe to my channel. You can see all this other stuff throughout the season and the years to come. Talk to you soon.